In my opinion, we've got a lot of good folks who can probably implement some very clever solutions to this on their own, by themselves, right? But everyone knowing PCI DSS, right? We can go in and we can do everything we deem appropriate and check that box. But if we look at it, there's still that subjective interpretation, right? So how do we solve for that? Myself, I'm still going to rely on my vendor. I'm still going to bring in a solution to protect it, because it's what was being said in the initial requirements prior to them being kind of, pushed to the side and, hey, just acknowledge. It's not bad. The end there, and it makes sense to me as a security forward, organization. So we're maintaining the status quo. We're going to keep moving in the direction that we started on, right?